Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Cynthia, a Rwandan girl here in Kigali, trying to navigate life and trying not to lose myself in it. So today I'm going to tell you the reason why I left for 40 days. Like I disappeared for 40 days from here on YouTube, not because I wanted to, but because I had to. Like I was having a lot of issues I was having an issue of working on a pace of someone else, and it was really challenging. But everything has its own time, and I've come to learn that everyone has their own time and a way of doing their own things. So I'm still trying to figure out things but it's going well, and I'm thankfully for that. So as I'm doing this video, I'm just walking my neighborhood, so I'm like, let me show you around how it is. And and the thing is, I really love walking around in my neighborhood. I have this feeling of enjoying the time, how it looks, how people live, and even getting the idea of my house, what I will build. So this is how the neighborhood is, and it's quite nice, not loud, and you can hear the birds singing, the gardens, and all of that. So this is how it is. So guys, tell me, how have you been? How things have been on your side? Have you ever feel like you are working on someone else's pace, and you have a lot of pressure, overwhelming because of the things are not going the way you want or how you expect them to be? It's crazy, but it's life, and every time we are learning to go on our pace and to improve things. So yeah. And another reason that I was away, I disappeared, is because I had issue of overthinking. I've been overthinking everything, expecting things to go the way, like to go very well, and to go over what they can be. I don't know if you understand that feeling. So I've been having an issue of overthinking, expecting things to be better, but everyone has their own time. Like when you overthink, it comes with overwhelming, and you feel like you are stressed. Everything, it all comes to you at once, and then you are stuck somewhere. You are not going anywhere. You just expect things to be perfect, and it can never be perfect. You just have to to step away of that and do things one step at a time, one day at a time. And that's what we are doing. I'm working on my crochet business. It's been very nice journey, and I'm trying to take one step at a time, which is really going well, and I'm proud of that. So yeah, that's how things are. As you can see, this is my neighborhood, very beautiful. Some buildings are looking like old version, and other ones are looking very brand new, like this one with the sheets, like this kind of ceiling. Is it ceiling or roofing? Yeah, most of the houses in this neighborhood are like this, but we also have different ones like apartments and all of that. So yeah, and you can see like the road is paved, it looking nice, and they also have gardens on the side of the gate, which makes the neighborhood really greeny, and it just have that nature touch. Yeah, that's how things are. So like guys, the thing is, with all that time I took in that 40 days away, not doing videos on YouTube, like not really working on my content creation things, I've learned few things. The first thing I learned is that you know, you have to go on your own time. You don't have to go on someone else's time. Like we all have our own time, like when to do our things and how to do our own things, because we always have, you know, like our own speciality. So that's one of the things I learned. And I also learned that we have to take one step at a time. You can't just jump from first step to fifth step. You have to go step by step. You have to go from one step, second step, you know, all the way up. And the other thing is like we can be pressured or stressed because of our peers or our, like, where we are living, you know, that can pressure us, and it becomes overwhelming, and then it makes us stuck in one space, not improving. Or maybe because we feel like we are not going to, you know, to make things work. Or maybe we feel like, you know, we want the perfect thing, you know, we feel like we want the perfect thing. And the other thing I learned is that patience is really nice. Like you must have patience for you to, you know, to make things work, because everything takes time. If you want good things, you have to, you know, to have patience, because it takes time. So that's another thing I learned. And you know, it's been a quite good journey. I've been learning a lot and I'm improving, although it's just slow, but you know, it's getting better. So yeah, that's how things are. And right now I'm on the main road. As you can see, this is how the main road is. I believe those are the apartments on the top, and down some shops and all of that. So this is another part of the neighborhood. Sorry. And we also have a gym over there on that top. I wish I could, you know, afford the gym, but it's okay. And let's cross the road. Wow, guys, did you know that that thing you see over there is the street camera? And yeah, it's just speed road camera. Is that the right word to say? This one of gray and black. So like it limits the speed of vehicles. Like you have to be on 60 kilometers or maybe 80 kilometers. It depends on the place. So this is how it is. As you can see, the neighborhood is getting really developed. They are building things all the way, and this one looks really nice. I believe it's apartments on the top, and here just some shops and stuff. So this is how it is. Thank you so much for watching this video. You know, it's been a quite one. I feel like it's been kind of emotional for me, because you know, I had to tell you why I was away. I know that person, they taught me how to drive. So like, you know, I feel like, you know, I wanted to tell you how things were, how things has been. And you know, it's been quite challenging, but we are getting there. We are going one step at a time. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in another one very, very soon. So bye. I love you all.